Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Quick one today. We're going to be installing a pollen filter in a VW T6. So we want to be looking at getting our pollen filter, get this installed, get it in the van. So to install a pollen filter, it's a nice easy job, quick to do. We want to be going in the passenger side with our new filter, and we want to be removing this cover, this plastic trim cover that's underneath the glove box. Just pop that out like so, and you can get a trim tool remover just to feed and undo some of those. That'll pop that cover out, and I'll try and get the camera in. What we've got is up here, we've got a cover, and we want to remove this cover up the top next to the heater here. So we want to undo that 5.5mm screw, and we'll undo that and drop it down. You can take the glove box out to make it easier, but we can work around that on this one. I'm struggling a little bit to get the camera in, but as you can see there's a screw that we have to undo. It's a 5.5mm, and it's this one just here. Try and get it on the camera so you can see it. And we're just gonna undo that. Drop the cover down, and then we want to just try and move. This is the pollen filter that we got here, and this cover you can take it off if the glove box is removed, but what we're going to do is just going to move it to one side. You can kind of push it out the way and up over that way. And then this filter we need to try and remove. It sort of collapses on itself, so you can put your finger up inside here, give it a pull, and start removing it out. If you haven't done your pollen filter for a while, definitely be a worthwhile investment to do. Take the filter out. There's not a lot of stuff come out of it already, so this one will be much better once it's been replaced. And that's your old pollen filter. So covered in a few bits there, definitely worth replacing. Swap it out for a nice new one, genuine one. So this is the genuine VW one next to it. Obviously we'll compact that one down when it goes in. A lot cleaner than the other one. And there's the part number if you need it, 7081961. That's for a VW T6 2016 plate with the air conditioning. I'll put that back in. You can buy genuine ones, or there is a company that make them for VW. I'm not going to say any names, but they are made by a particular brand that you can get from most automotive parts suppliers. So we're going to put that one back into there. We're going to make sure our airflow goes the correct way, and then push that in. I'm going to have to put this down because I can only do it two-handed. There we've got our new filter reinstalled, and we'll just get this cover back on, move that back over there, put the cover up there, and then get our screw back in it, and we're done. There we go. So it really is that quick and easy to do it. We'll get this cover back on now, and this under tray cover here under the glove box. Make sure that slots into the plastic bit at the back there. position. And then that's that cover back on. Get a hoover, clear up all this mess, and we're good to go. Chuck this one in the bin. Job done. Okay guys, that's it on this one. I did say it was going to be a real quick video. It was just to show you how to do the pollen filter. I've had somebody ask me in the past, how long does it take to do one? And it's that simple. Order it online or from your parts supplier, and then get it sorted, get it changed. Worth doing once a year just to make sure everything runs smoothly. Cheers, see you next time.